Alright. How do I get it? Watch out. It's dead. It's a firework. What's that? Oh my god. I can't even. What's that thing? What's this? Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, two! That was cool. Jesus. Don't say none bad words. He ain't gonna be able to use his audio.
Go ahead and start shooting.
Something there.
Yeah, I saw it just floating right here. Okay. I'm actually gonna go back in my hiding spot.
I'm a YouTuber now. Oh my god, Mike can see perfectly. Caleb. Hey, corner guy. Where's your gun at? Bro. You'll be fine.
Here, Tom.
You good? Yeah, I think I got hit. Yeah, I think I got hit. Come on, you got any bandages? Yeah. No, just
They're wasting all our smoke bombs.
for real, they're not even charging.
Oh.
Jeez.
Smoke bomb. What are those made out of? Like,
Smoke bombs?
yeah.
Smoke. I don't know.
Are they like, would you buy them?
Yeah, they're from Phantom. Hey Phantom, sponsor this video. I got smacked in the face.
Did you run?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, you can crawl.
Oh my god.
There's not in, man.
No, I'm in theirs. Is anybody on theirs?
Here we go.
They can see me here.
That one was bad. He's not ready. Disappeared into the night. This videotape on Nurse's phone without a
Give me some gas here. Must be out of CO2. Give it here. Alright, everybody get ready. We're charging. You can use that if you want.
I'm going around this way.
Alright. Let me know when you're ready for me to yell. Well,
I can't see any over there.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
Oh, I see some.
I don't... you good? They're coming. Caleb, you good? I see one. I see Joey. I think Joey got hit.
Right above Sage's head. I hit it. Yes, I got two of them, bro.
No.
Yeah,
Charging. Who? Could have learned more about people sometimes. Don't scream. Not that. That scared the poop out of me, bro. Get him. Oh my gosh, look at him.
We're gonna be doing much
too many
wind.
snakes.
Yeah.
There's a kid behind there.
Yeah, you sniped.
I can't see him. His face is sticking out. It's just his face I see. There's a guy behind us. Caleb, watch out. To our left. To our left.
Someone on the left.
Yeah. Like peek over to your left. You see a guy? You got him? There's a guy rushing us? Okay.
Just get him in there. You should. They don't even know he's there. For real. Magic. It hit him in the head. He's gonna get caught.
you get a chance, give us some gas. Oh, did it? Nice.
Connor, you good? Caleb got him.
How about 80 goes? It's too risky. Got the door. Open the door. Something right there.
Connor, you good?
You want to rush?
Huh?
You want to rush?
Yeah, if you want to. Connor, I'll let you rush. Connor can rush.
What? You cover? Hey, got a bunch of
Under 3. Caleb, that's scary. I'm glad I saw that.
Throw it! Hurry up! Did he say retreat?
Right there, Sam!
One's on his left.
I'll cover it. What's to the left? I see your attack. I see it.
He's hit already.
Did I?
He's hit.
He's already.
Oh yeah, I hit him.
There's someone behind him.
Joey.
Joey's behind him.
Get that one.
Connor. Hey, Connor. Hopefully you can see Connor. Dude, they keep moving. They're on the right, our right side now.
Okay, move it.
All right.
I'll cover you. Yeah, dude, I put on one of them in the freaking room. And the second one broke.
I saw that. You got it? Mm-hmm. Oh, I saw it. I could prepare myself. What is that?
I don't want to peek over there yet.
Someone's coming out. You're hitting them.
Right around Sage. Oh, I hit Sage.
Babies, Jordan. Jeez. He's okay. You ever see the video? Yeah, I'm gonna put it. I got that though on video. Good.
Caleb's out.
Alright.
I say we flank.
Alright. Oh, that's you.
Move it on the side.
Oh my god.
Holy. Come on, left side, go left side. Be careful, they could literally be rushing us right now.
That's crazy.
I thought it was a stop sign. One sticking his head over. Caleb, one sticking his head out.